How to record WhatsApp calls. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to record the WhatsApp calls, let's first launch the WhatsApp application on our device. Select on the profile that you would want to call and you would want to record. Now if I see the options by tapping on three dotted lines, you can see there is no option of recording. Even if I tap on more, you can see there is no option. So what I can simply do is just make a call to the person over here, and after calling drag down the you can just drag down the control status bar, and then you'll be able to screen record this whole thing. And as you screen record this, you'll be able to record the WhatsApp calls on your device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.